I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guy. Join me on board Carnival Luminosa for a tour of a balcony and interior stateroom. On the whole, Carnival Luminosa's regular balcony room is really something quite special. The first thing I noticed walking into the room was the amount of space on offer. The bed is located closest to the balcony doors and can be separated into twins if preferred. One bedside table includes USB-A outlets for easy device charging. The addition of a living space and sofa adds an extra layer of comfort, allowing guests more space to stretch out during a cruise. Towels are located in the cabin and are provided for use on board or ashore. There's also extra cupboard and shelving space in this area. There's a large, well-lit vanity with mirrors. It also contains access to a US and Australian power outlet. The bar fridge is located here as well. There are drawers for storage, plus a hardwired hairdryer. Outside, the balcony is fairly deep, providing more than enough room to enjoy the passing views and fresh sea air. Inside, you can appreciate the scale and footprint of the room. Near the front door, you'll find the main wardrobe. The first door opens to reveal a safe, shelving, and a full-length mirror. The second and third doors open to provide hanging space and additional storage. Note that suitcases can fit under the bed. The bathroom is spacious, especially for a standard cabin type. There's a substantial vanity with storage across shelves on each side of the mirror. Plus, the shower is more roomy than you might expect. There's a liquid wash that doubles as shampoo and body wash, but I recommend bringing your own from home. This interior room has a sideways orientation, so when you walk in, the bed and bathroom are located on either side of the entrance. Like the other room types, the bed can be split into a twin if preferred. Bedside USB-A outlets are a handy touch. Compared to the balcony room we just saw, the vanity area is effectively split into two. This section contains the bar fridge and some shelving for storage. Nearer the entrance, you'll find the US and Australian power outlets, the television, in-drawer hairdryer, and additional drawer space. The wardrobe and bathroom are to the left of the room's entrance. Like other staterooms, there's a safe, shelving, and hanging space across all three compartments. Likewise, the bathroom is identical to the other staterooms on board, with a spacious layout that includes an ample vanity with basin, shelves for storage, and a large shower. I hope you enjoyed the tours of both of those rooms. If you are interested in booking anything on board Carnival Luminosa or any other cruise ship, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and you can also give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.